is guys, it's Izzy from Busy Izzy TV. Today we are going to be bleaching Melea's jeans. Okay. So we have the bleach in the spray bottle, and we're just gonna spray it because we taped off the spots that we don't want bleach in.
Sorry, it's your feet.
So it's turning white.
Already?
Hi, it's Editing Izzy. I didn't realize till I was out of frame, so this is what I was saying in the video. Melea is not in such great clothes, and I'm in an oversized t-shirt because we did not want to get our clothes bleached. Okay, back to the video. So you will see in a second, I do bleach it. I don't bleach it a lot because I don't like how the bleach smells. There you go. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Remember to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. Don't forget to hit that bell. Bye guys, see you in the next one.
Butterfly!
Moth.
Graph!